Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about elimination methods by equating the coefficients. Dear students, I had already discussed substitution method. Now let us consider another method of eliminating one variable. This is sometimes more convenient than the substitution method. In this method, we eliminate one of the two variables to obtain an equation in one variable, putting the value of this variable in any of the given equations, then value of other variable will be found. Now discuss algorithm. This means it is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problem. So first step is consider the two variables. Second step, multiply the given equations by a number so as to make the coefficients of one of the variables or numerically same. For this we multiply with LCM of numbers. Dear students, here are two conditions. First, we add the equations if the coefficients have opposite sign. Second condition, we subtract the equations if the coefficients have same sign. Third step, the resulting equation will be in one variable and can be solved easily. Fourth step, substitute the value of the variable in any one of the given equations and find value of other variable. So these are the steps for solving a pair of linear equations using elimination method by equating the coefficients. Now we solve some questions of exercise 3.4 from NCERT using this method. Question number 1, second part, solve the following pair by elimination method. The equations are 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to minus 2. For solution, the given equations are 3x plus 4y equal to 10, this is first equation, and 2x minus 2y equal to 2, and this is implied that x minus y is equal to 1, means we divide by 2 on both sides. So this is equation number second. Dear students, let us eliminate x from the given equations. The coefficients of x in the given equations are 3 and 1 respectively. The LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So we make the coefficient of x equal to 3 in both equations. So multiply equation 2 by 3, we get 3x minus 3y equal to 3, and this is equation number 3. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 1, we get 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 3x minus 3y equal to 3. Dear students, in the case of subtraction, the signs of terms of equation 3 will be changed. So we get minus 3x plus 3y and minus 3. And we get 3 plus 4, that is 7y is equal to 10 minus 3 equal to 7. That is 7y is equal to 7, so y is equal to 1. Substituting the value of y in equation second, we get x minus 1 equal to 1, and after simplify this, we get x is equal to 2. Hence x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the required solution. Now we discuss one more part, that is fourth part. Solve the following pair by the elimination method. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. For solution, the given equations are x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. Dear students, we change the given equations into simple linear equations. We get 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. This is equation number 1. And x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. This is implies that 3x minus y equal to 9. This is equation number 2. Here the coefficients of the variable x in both equations are same, that is 3. So subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6, 3x minus y equal to 9. Dear students, we already know that in the case of subtraction, the signs of the terms of equation 2 will be changed. So we get minus 3x plus y minus 9. And here we get 5y is equal to minus 15. So y is equal to minus 3. Substituting the value of y is equal to minus 3 in equation 2, we get 3x minus in bracket minus 3 equal to 9, and this is implies that 3x plus 3 is equal to 9, and after simplify we get x is equal to 2. Hence x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3 is the required solution. Now we will discuss one more question. From the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by the elimination method. Dear students, if they exist means we find the unique solution, and for that we should have a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So first part is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? For solution, let the fraction be x by y. According to the first condition of the question, we have x plus 1 by y minus 1 is equal to 1. Here adding 1 in numerator and subtracting 1 from denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So we get x plus 1 by y minus 1 is equal to 1. Simplify this, we get x minus y is equal to minus 2. So x minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 1. And according to the second condition of the question, we have x by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Means if we only add 1 to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. So x by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Simplify this, we get 2x minus y is equal to 1. So 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get, dear students, here the coefficients of y in both equations are same, that is minus 1. So we subtract the given equations. X minus y is equal to minus 2 and 2x minus y equal to 1. Already we know that sign will be changed of the terms of equation 2. We get minus 2x plus y and minus 1. Solving this, we get minus x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to 3. Substituting the value of x in equation 1, we get 3 minus y equal to minus 2, and simplify this, we get y is equal to 5. So we have x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Hence the fraction is 3 by 5. Dear students, the assignment is given. Solve exercise 3.4 from NCERT. Thank you.